Ka-chow.
Take everything out?
Yep. You can either set it on the ground or the seat next to you.
Since nobody's driving.
Okay, there's this little string thingy guy. Yeah, so that's got to pop out, which you pop it out from this side. See that little notch?
Yeah, the notch.
Yeah, so you're going to put that, there's only one, and it's only on this side, and you're going to pull it towards you, and then it will slide through the little buttonhole. Then we should have, yep, okay, so see this little shoulder right here? Mm-hmm. Right there? You're just going to push this side in and that side in, and then the whole thing should drop down. Yep, just like that. Next, we'll remove the filter door. Okay.
So basically,
it's a push.
I push this down and then I pull that around it.
Okay. Okay, and then you're gonna pull your filter out, just towards you.
Pay attention to how the filter came out lengthwise.
It can only go one way?
Yeah.
Perfect. It helps us. And then you're just gonna put the door back on. Should feed into the right and then clip into the left. Beautiful. Okay, so the trick to this is, oops, sorry. See these little clippy things?
Yep, right here.
Yeah, so you want to line those up first and then we'll put it in place. So make sure they're really flat on there. Does that feel flat?
Oh yeah, they're flat.
I can grab this thing, so kind of.
Do I need to grab that thing first? Or
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it first. Oh God, come back here. Okay. And then go ahead and we're gonna hold on to that because it's gonna go into there and kind of juggle.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Nice.
Okay.
And then that just feeds through the big hole into the small hole. Perfect. Okay, so then close it and open it and make sure it works normally.
No.
Okay, so that's you have to push it down on those guys when it does that. So
it was easiest to grab that string thing and put it in first, then put pressure down on the glove box so that it stood flat on the hinges, and then push both sides back in. I hope that helps.
Nice. It's like its own little hydraulic.
Yeah, it is kind of. Will you
Good.
test it real quick? Just shut it and open it.
Ready?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.